Hey there, check out the Ray-Ban RB3136 Caravan sunglasses. A timeless unisex style perfect for any occasion. These sunglasses feature a classic square lens design that offers a bold and sophisticated look. Crafted with durable metal frames, they provide both comfort and long-lasting wear. The lenses offer excellent UV protection, keeping your eyes safe in bright sunlight. This bundle also includes a handy accessory eyewear kit to keep your sunglasses clean and well-maintained. Whether you're heading to the beach or exploring the city, these sunglasses add style and function to your day. Experience the iconic Ray-Ban quality with the versatile RB3136 Caravan sunglasses today. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.